Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of today's kit reviews. This one is going to be a pickup with a big ass machine gun by Meng, which is the one that I won for 3rd place in the animal group build. Let's have a look inside. Don't mind that one. That one's coming up soon. Who wants to see the Meng Comet? Anyways, here we go. Comes with a gunner. Is he a gunner? Is he a terrorist? What is he? We don't know yet. Painted photo etch parts included. Clear parts for lights. Highly detailed heavy machine gun. You can make it civilian or military. I have had a look through this box. They're always tight. I'm going to try and set it up a little bit. They still suck their way in. Anyways, sorry guys. It's a pretty nice presentation in here. Like I was saying, I have had a look through this. It does look really nice. It's small, especially being in 1/35 scale. We'll go down to the bottom here. Take a look at the instructions. There's the decals. They're very vivid. Not shiny though, which is good. Gauge cluster. They look good. Thank God they took the glossy off the top page. Here's a little bit of history about it. This truck is kind of generic, you know. I don't actually think it's a real truck. I think it's just kind of an amalgamation of everything. Is it a Toyota? Is it a Nissan? Is it a Mazda? We don't know. You start off by building the chassis. It does not have a motor. The hood doesn't open, so you know, why would you need that? Swing arms, brakes, transfer case. So you to build up the frame. Exhaust pipes, suspension parts. Muffler, fuel tank, drive shafts, differentials, leaf springs, wheel hubs, shocks. And you start getting into the interior. I wonder if that's all separate parts for that tree. Pedals, seats. Here's your gauge, or I mean your dash. Seats. Probably the only difference is whether one has a gun in the back or not, as far as civilian versus military goes. Who doesn't want a big giant gun in the back of their little pickup? Here you have the body going on. Pretty detailed, that's for sure, especially for this scale. Actually, 1/35 scale, you know, I think you get the best detail on that. For some reason, everybody puts their effort into that, and they don't increase that level of detail as you go up, which is kind of a shame. There's the box going together. Not sure. Yeah, it says don't glue, so the tailgate will work. That's cool. Photo etch. So the photo etch is the mud flaps mainly. There's another piece in there too, and it's already pre-painted a nice flat black, which you will see soon. Roll bars, wheels, We'll see what kind of tread they have on them. Wheels going on. I'm not sure about the markings on the wheels either. We'll see that shortly. There's your linkage parts for the tailgate. Some more photo etch. Please continue to choose to make armed type. Okay, so here we get into the military stuff. Is it going to start off with building a gun? It better. Damn right it does. Big gun. I'm not sure what caliber it is or anything. Probably, it's up there though. Probably 30 or 50. Looks to be more like an anti-aircraft gun than anything, except there's only one barrel. Lots of parts to the gun. Here's the mount for it. Looks to be kind of its own little mini kit all on its own. There it is, finished. I imagine you could just display it outside of the truck. Here's your military guy, terrorist, whatever you want it to be. I mean, he's got a mask, but it is during COVID, so you know, maybe he's just doing his part. Screw map is at the back of this book. Usually they're at the front, but they're Meng. Here's your civilian, here's your gun. I mean, you could really do whatever the hell you want with this thing, to be honest. All right, let's have a look at some of the parts. Here's the chassis, transmission, oil pan. That's really all you need. The molding looks very nice on here. Crisp, clean. I know it's annoying through the bags, guys, but it's just, I'm not going to build every kit, so I just want to make sure. Here we have the hood. Rear fenders, box, tailgate. Why doesn't Meng just punch those letters out? They're so close. They're like halfway there. Just do it. Bastards. Anyways. Here's the figure. You know, I've bought some Meng figures and stuff, and I'm not overly impressed with them. The ones I just reviewed from Trumpeter look way nicer than this. I mean, they'll get the job done, but they're not that great as far as I'm concerned. And they charge a lot for them, and I don't think it's worth it. Without taking the clear parts out of the bag, they don't look that clear, but it could be the bag for sure. I build a lot of Meng kits, and their parts are usually good, except for their figures, but everything else is good. I have faith. Here we go. Did the Nerf bars, grills, bumpers, brake calipers, or discs and calipers, I should say. The wheels look okay. I mean, for what they are. Now we have interior parts. Oh, well, the lower, yeah, I guess it's the interior parts, yeah. It's all crisply molded. There's definitely no flash here. I don't see any whatsoever. Pretty thick sprue gates though. They're thick, but they're thin, so you just got to be careful how you cut them out, and they're not an issue. Pedals are all molded in. It's actually a fairly detailed dash. Hope you can see that okay. And then machine gun parts. It's your ammo canister. There's the lid for it. Where's the ammo itself? Maybe you cannot display it without the lid. There doesn't seem to be any ammo. Okay, so then you get this neat little box. Which, in case you couldn't guess, is where the body's gonna be. It's not very big, guys. It's wee. It's amazing how small civilian vehicles are in 1/35th as compared to the armor, right? Puts it all into perspective for you. And we also have the tires, which are printed. Treads look good, and I don't see a seam line. They're kind of a little rough, but they should be. And finally, here's the colored photo etch. Pre-painted. That's nice. Look at how fine those parts are. Kind of scares me. If you get super glue where you don't want it, you're gonna see it. But that's brilliant. So anyways, guys, that is the Meng pickup with big ass machine gun. Have a good day. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see this one. I just picked this up today and I'm so stoked. All right, guys, you take care and I'll see you next time. Bye.